Welcome to my video Private Resell Rights. What does it means and how to make money with resell rights products? This is a resell rights vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. Each day, a large number of individuals use the internet. Many of those individuals are looking for ways to make money online. The only problem with using the internet to research money-making opportunities is that there are a large number of online scams. These scams many not only dash your thoughts of making money online, but they may also leave you broke. That is why it is important that you fully understand each online money-making opportunity before investing or signing a contract. As previously mentioned, a large number of individuals use the internet to search for money-making ideas and opportunities. In fact, there are so many individuals doing this that there is a good chance that you are one of them. In your search, you may have come across an opportunity claiming that you can make money by reselling private label products. The good news about these opportunities is that, in most cases, they are illegitimate. The bad news is that many of these offers rarely go into detail. This means that you may not even know what you are getting or what you are supposed to do to make money. When it comes to making money online, there are many individuals who move on to the next opportunity when they do not fully understand how one works. If you do this with private label reselling, you may be missing out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Instead of moving on to the next money-making opportunity, you are advised to learn as much as you can about private label resell rights. After you have familiarized yourself with this amazing opportunity, you may very well find that it is a great way to make money. Private label resell products cover a wide variety of different things. Online, you will find that most of these products include software programs, ebooks, articles, and source codes. These products are popular because they are high in demand. For instance, many webmasters use articles to increase the content on their website. Software programs are increasing in popularity as more businesses make the decision to be unified, computer-wise. E-books are rapidly increasing in popularity, especially as more individuals are finding them cheaper than printed books. Source codes, similar to HTML codes, are essential to the development of online websites. While e-books, software programs, and content articles are needed, as detailed above, there are many individuals who do not have the time or the necessary skills to develop their own programs or content. Instead, they often hire professional assistants. The only problem with professional assistants is that it is often expensive. A professional writer or software developer can charge as much as they want for their services, and many of them charge large amounts. Instead, individuals and businesses, in need of software or content, look for cheaper alternatives. One of those alternatives may involve purchasing a product from you. Private label software programs, content articles, and e-books are often developed by experienced professionals. The only problem is that many of these individuals do not have the time or the experience needed to market their products to the public. Without proper marketing, there is a good chance their product will never sell. So, instead of marketing their products, private label product creators will then up and sell the rights to their product. However, the money-making opportunity is when you are granted resell rights. Resell rights mean that you can resell the products that you just purchased, often for any price that you want. What does this mean for you? This means that, for a reasonable price, you should not only be able to purchase a software program, an e-book, or content articles, but you are also purchasing the rights to resell these products. So, in a way, you will be making money without having to do any work. Sound impossible, doesn't it? Honestly, it is not. As long as you are able to find a reliable and trustworthy software developer or writer to business with, you will be participating in a legitimate business opportunity. If this opportunity sounds like something you would be interested in, you are advised to get searching. Online, you will find a number of these private label resell opportunities. With a little bit of time and research, you could find the perfect product, and then you could be on your way to making money, all the while sitting from the comfort of your own home. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products all with master resell rights. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a 6-figure income online.